Postgraduate coursework may include different assignment types, like annotated bibliographies and literature review assignments. The library website has samples and guidance to help you. An annotated bibliography is an organized list of sources such as articles or book chapters, where each source has a paragraph of annotation, usually about 250 to 300 words for each source. The annotation is a summary that may include description, evaluation, and critique. This sample is from the social sciences. It's a summary of a research report. It's got 5 parts. It has a full APA reference at the beginning, and this isn't part of the word count. It identifies the research topic or question. Here, it's the function of neighbourhoods for children. And next comes the research context. Here, it was a study of 9 to 11-year-olds in Dunedin. The findings or results come next. Here, there are 3 main findings. And lastly, the overall finding or significance of the research, which is that children have the right to participate and benefit from social interaction in their neighbourhoods. Your assignment might have different parts. Follow your lecturer's instructions. When you're preparing to write your annotated bibliography, use a reading grid to list the parts you need, and take notes from your source with page numbers. These sample sentence starters on the library website could be helpful too. You might use your annotated bibliography as a starting point for a literature review assignment. For this kind of assignment, you critically analyze the previous research, focusing on a specific topic. You organize and synthesize the previous research around key themes or issues. The library website has an example paragraph from a literature review assignment. It shows how you might introduce a recurring theme. In this case, it's about social media and academic performance. Then, position research findings from different points of view. Here, the research shows both positive and negative findings. Next, you might elaborate on research findings that align with your point of view. Here, you synthesize specific examples from different sources. And lastly, state the significance of the research findings. In this case, concluding that social media may affect academic performance. Literature review assignments may also involve critiquing research. One way of doing this is to specify a limitation and explain its impact. Another way is to suggest future research and state its possible contribution. Check your lecturer's instructions for which parts you need in your assignment. When you're preparing to write a literature review, reading grids can help you organize content from your readings. Put the source information along the top, the specific parts of each reading on the side, and write your notes as you read. Once you've organized your content, reoccurring themes are more visible. For example, in the findings row, one reoccurring theme is the negative relationship between Facebook use and grade point average. And here are 2 other themes. When you're reading research articles, you can use the article structure to find what you need. You don't always have to read the whole thing. The abstract and conclusion help you decide if the article is relevant to your assignment. If it is, then the article makes it to your reading shortlist for slower, closer reading. Abstracts and conclusions usually give you the key information you need. Help with academic writing is available at drop-ins, workshops, and online. book into a workshop, or learn about other writing support options on the library website.